Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's video, I would like to give a special shout out to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. So let's see what's inside the box. This is a body wave. It's 26 inches long, so pretty, and it is 180% density. This is gorgeous hair, y'all, so soft. And this is the HD 5x5 lace closure. So it's not ear to ear, but this is inside the unit. And then it comes with a total of 3 combs. So you have your adjustable straps here, and then you have your comb in the back along with the lace tab, and then the other adjustable strap and your comb on the side. So love this unit, and let's go ahead and see how it looks on. And here I am on my way out the door. I did wear this hair today. I got so many compliments on it. It is nice straight out the box, but I did put some curls in it. So I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below. Okay, y'all, so I just got back in from Publix. I picked up a few things. How good does this fruit bowl look? It looks so good. And then I could have did this myself, but it's already done for me. So I just picked this up from Publix. This looks so good. Maybe add some salmon and some jasmine rice. And then I picked up some peaches. And I'm going to try this Maria's raspberry vinaigrette. I've never tried this particular one before, but I do love raspberry vinaigrette, so we'll see. And then I picked up an apple, cheese, and walnut salad kit. I've never had this one before, but yesterday I did a strawberry salad. It was so good. And I topped it with some of these dried cranberries and honey roasted almonds. It was delicious. And I used some of the peanut ginger dressing. It was bomb. But this is the start of the show. So y'all know I'm always on the hunt for a nice healthy snack. And I saw these, so I picked these up. I've tried these already, and the lady that rung us up, she was like, oh my God, these are so delicious. I tried this one. It is so good. Let me show y'all how it looks. I'm so happy that I got more than one box. Let's see. So this is how it looks. It's like a pastry, but it's super thin. But look at this. On top it has cranberries, oats, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. And it's on like a little pastry. This is how the pastry looks. It's so good. So they had 3 different flavors. The cranberry, this is the cranberry oak. Then they had the apple cinnamon, and then this one is the apricot honey. So yeah, y'all check these out. I got them from Publix. So if you have a Publix in your area, grab some of these. All right, y'all, so I'm doing some more juicing. I'm using my little craft for juicing. Some of you guys told me that it was meant for like a side table, like a nightstand, if you tend to wake up in the middle of the night and want water. But I don't do that. I'm using mine for juicing, but it's so cute. I love it. So I'm just doing the green juice, and y'all know I add garlic to my green juices. And I bought some turmeric for the first time. Let me show y'all. This is how it looks. This is my first time buying fresh turmeric. So it looks a lot like ginger root. So I put a little bit of that in there. Yeah, this is the garlic that I use. I just dropped some in. It tastes so good, y'all. Juices are done, and I just wanted to show you guys how they look in the carafes. Super cute. So this is beet juice. This is beet juice and pineapple juice, and then this is just my green juice, celery, cucumber, garlic, lemon, and spinach. So bomb. So yeah, and this is how they look in my pretty little carafes. So I'm gonna have a little sip. I'm gonna let Tony taste it. Tony, come try this. Yep.
Tastes like grass. No.
Hey guys, today is Saturday, and I am on my way to Cooper's Hawk to pick up my wine for the month. I'm a little behind. I think I have about 3 months. I think I'm 3 months behind, 2 or 3 months behind. So I'm going to pick up my wine, and then we're just gonna cook and hang out. My son's here, Aaron's here, and Ryan's here. So we're gonna just hang out today. So I just have on this white top from Target, my YSL bag, and then these jeans are from Forever 21. I love the way that these fit. They're so cute. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. We're getting ready to go to Cooper's Hawk, and I'll see you guys when we get back. Okay, so here's the ones that I got. The Petite Syrah. Y'all can still. And then I got 2 bottles of the Cabernet. These were the wines of the month, and she just gave me 2 of the same ones. And then I got the bubbly sangria for Ryan and Aaron. They're new wine lovers, so we're gonna try this for them. Hopefully they like it. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. Put it on chill. Hi, Aaron.
Hi, guys.
Mr. Hot Guys, he's sick. He down bad. His allergies is messing up.
Yeah, I see that popping up.
And Ryan's here. Y'all see his hair color. So
that's a new camera.
No, it's the same camera. I got a different lens.
And you still ain't sent me that link. I had to go on
your that motherfucking link.
I had to go on your whole YouTube and watch it. Like I should always get the exclusive.
Right, I remember to call you.
You guys wanted to see the black plates that I was telling you guys that I picked up from. I think I got these from Walmart if I'm not mistaken. I just washed them. But yeah, I think I got these from Walmart. So this is how the plate looks. Just a plain little black plate. But girl, tell me why I forgot I had these. I bought these from Home Goods a while ago. And even though my new ones look better, but I did forget that I did purchase these. If you guys don't have a World Market and you're interested in buying some nice black bowls, check out your local Home Goods because they do have them in there as well. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying something new. I'm doing an eggplant for the very first time. I've never had eggplant before. So in the inside of the eggplant, I have some mozzarella and tomatoes, and then I just seasoned it. And then I have some basil on top, so I'm gonna just pop this in the oven. And hopefully it tastes good. I'm so nervous, y'all, because I've never had this before. So I'm gonna pop it in the oven for a little bit, and I'll let you guys know what's up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Anytime I have mozzarella, I like to put it on broil for just a few seconds, just to let the mozzarella brown. It looks delicious, but we'll see how it tastes. But it does look very good, so we'll see. Okay, so here it is, and I decided to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top, so I'm gonna give it a try. All right, here goes. So it's not bad, but I would definitely say that it needs like a spaghetti sauce, but it's not bad.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again.
Okay, y'all, so I am back home, and here's my nails. They're so pretty. I actually went to 2 places to get my nails done. I went to my regular nail tech, and then I went to a different spot to get the design on them. My nail tech did a design, but I didn't really like it. So I was on Pinterest, and I found this picture. Which one is it? This one right here. And I asked her if she could do it, and she did it. She did a really good job. Like, they look so good. I love them. So pretty. So I'm obsessed with these. But I wanted to show you guys this watch that came in. This watch is from Amazon. It is so cute. I had Tony take some links out yesterday, and I just wanted to show y'all because I just thought that it was so dainty and cute. And I think I only paid like 16 bucks for this watch. Look at this. Super cute. Like, look at it. That's what it looks like. It's so cute. I love this. So this part right here, like the links didn't actually come out. What he had to do was just move this right here up. Like, you just move it up. And can y'all see that? You just move it up a notch. So the links don't actually come out. So he had to move it like 3 notches up for it to fit. But it's so cute. So I'll link these in the description box. The time is wrong on here. It's saying Monday the 26th. It's actually Monday the 28th. Hold on, let me. But I just thought that this was just the cutest little watch. Y'all know I do have a JBW watch. That was actually the first TikTok collaboration that I did. But I wanted something a little simple and small. I love it. It's so cute. And y'all, I'm obsessed with my nails. Like, look at this. So pretty. I need some lotion on my hands. Okay, so I'm getting ready to fix dinner. So I'm going to do some of this mushroom ravioli that I got from Trader Joe's. And it's with mushrooms and truffle sauce. I've never had this before, so this is my first time trying it. So I'll let you guys know. And then I have some salmon in here.